Hello, here is the record for the Twitter whack. Um, so basically, here is my code. So let's take the app.rb. So first, nothing. Go to the home page, which is the index.erb. As you can see here, I just ask for the users like the two term words they guys want to search. The first one will be named as keyword 1, and the second one is the keyword 2. And the action is search. Then we go to app.rb. Search here is basically this stuff. First, I put the keyword 1 into the instant variable, which is called keyword 1. And the second is keyword 2. Then I call the Twitter web class, which is here. As you can see here. So the first initialize the instance variable with the consumer key and the consumer secret, and which is generated from the Twitter dot. Then I define the search to, which is search both the words, and put the word into the instant variable word 1 and the word 2, and just as Peter does, like put them into a string, like search string, and query the Twitter API, and thus I got like a object with all the information stored. Then here is the method for search one term. It's basically the same. And so first I created for the app.rb. So first I create an instance variable which is called client, storing the information about the tokens, something like that. Then I query the API with the two terms I got, like the keyword 1 and keyword 2. Then I got the result. So the Twitter index as shown in the instruction that it's the next of the search result we got from the method that we search both of the keywords, and then the next would be the score. The score is basically like first I check whether this instance variable exists. If it does exist, then I get the net of, then I search for each of these terms, and then I got net of them. Then I calculate the score. If not, it will just return the nil. So this is just define. I did like this way because we need to use the aspect. As you can see here, describe it initialized to. First, before doing this, we need to initialize it. Now I got an instance variable also called the client. In the first called initialized, it just check whether the Twitter score is equals to nil. Since we didn't call the method like the search for 2, so it should be like nil. Otherwise, it would be like a failure. And the second one should be the call find tweets about symmetric test. So basically, if we search these two terms first, then we will get a Twitter score, and it should not equal to nil. So that's right. As you guys can see here, like it finished in 2.6 seconds, and two examples in 0 failures. So that means my method will be works. So the next, after doing the two-term search, I will get the score, and the score, the comments is kind of like simple, just if else statements. If it is something like that, then we not this one. Then we got it, and as the pro, as the instruction asks, we have to get a random samples to show the result. So here is the random method. It's here. So I just random integer from 0 to the length of the result, and then I got the test by using the method .test, and I got the name by finding the original text and find the user, then find the name. It's a hash. Then I return true. Then I return the text and also the name. As you guys can see here, the sample test and the sample name. So then I go to the result.erb. So I just output it like the keyword is the first one, first true, and so your your words like keyword 1, keyword 2 will give an index, Twitter index, and with a score, which is score and comments, and here's the test, and here is buy something. So that's right. Okay, it is. So input signature test confirm. Here I get a signature test, index of 10, score which is 10,000, and the test. I don't know why they guys have the URL in the test, but well, we can. But it is in the test, so that's why I got it. So if I refresh it, you see this test changed, and also the name of the author also changed. So basically that is.